In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete sent mail from the receiver's inbox in Gmail. While Gmail itself doesn't allow you to directly delete emails from someone else's inbox once they've been sent, there are a few strategic approaches and tips you can use to manage your sent messages more effectively, potentially minimizing any misunderstandings or accidental sends. Think of this as being more prepared for next time, rather than fixing a current mistake. First, let's understand a crucial feature that Gmail offers: the undo send option. If you haven't heard about it, this feature is a real lifesaver. Essentially, it allows you a brief window of opportunity to recall your email after you hit the send button. The default period is usually set to 5 seconds, but it can be extended up to 30 seconds. This might not sound like much time, but these precious seconds can be helpful. To enable or adjust this function, go to your Gmail settings by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner and then selecting See All Settings. In the General tab, look for the Undo Send section and set the cancellation period to your desired time frame, ideally the full 30 seconds to give yourself more breathing room for decision-making. Now, you might wonder, what if the email has already reached the person's inbox after these seconds? Here, communication becomes key. You can send them a quick follow-up email or a message explaining the error, or if it's sensitive, ask them to delete it. Clear and honest communication is often one of the best solutions in these situations, especially if the recipient is someone you trust or have a professional relationship with. Another practical step you can take is to use Gmail's confidential mode. This doesn't allow you to delete emails from someone else's inbox, but it provides some control over your sent messages. By enabling confidential mode, you can set an expiration date for the email you are sending, and upon expiration, the email will no longer be accessible by the recipient. To enable this, when composing your message, click on the Lock and Clock icon at the bottom of the Compose window and set the expiration parameters to suit your needs. Lastly, prevention is vital in ensuring you don't end up in this dilemma again. Develop a habit of thoroughly proofreading and reviewing emails before sending. Consider waiting a few minutes between composing and sending an email, a practice that allows any potential second thoughts or realizations to surface before the email leaves your outbox. Tools like Grammarly or spell-checking extensions can assist with these checks, ensuring that your email is clear and professional. While it may not be possible to remove an already sent email from a person's inbox, these strategies can help mitigate the situation and reduce the risk of it happening again. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you with the tools necessary to manage your emails more effectively. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on a variety of digital tasks.